Hey, Dr. Duncan. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I noticed that you have a relatively new ad on Facebook with a discount here, which is great. Um, but I thought maybe I could give you a couple tips that you could use to bring in new patients without having to rely on ads and discounting all of your services. So, your website here, a website, when done properly, should be like a virtual cash machine for you. Nearly 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So, your website does need to be properly optimized so you can capture those leads and convert them into your new patients. So, we are on your website here, as you can see. Let's see what we got going on here. So, I see three categories for your services, but I would actually break out your various treatments um, for these here. That way you can actually focus on keywords that are relevant to each of the different types of treatments and therapies that you offer for these services and drive more potential patients to your website. Let's see what else we have. Various treatment techniques, but doesn't really mention what they are. Interlinking pages, that's good. That helps your SEO. Blog articles, testimonials. That's pretty much it. So your website doesn't really have much for content. Unfortunately, the only way to rank a website is with content. Content is key. You need a ton of content. Your homepage needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused around your services and treatments that you're offering. And it should be focused around your local buyer intent keywords or patient intent keywords. Your patients may not even realize it's chiropractic that they're seeking. They may be searching for help for their sciatica or neck, shoulders, back, what have you. And so you need to think outside the box when targeting those keywords and make sure that you're going after the words, keywords that your patients are using to try and find your service. Your patients are there and they do need you, but they just can't find you right now. So you definitely need to work on your content and keyword strategy and have the proper pages built out so you can actually attract those customers to your website and convert them into new patients. So Google needs 250 words for every keyword you're going to target, and you need to make sure that all of your pages have their own original content and that they're targeting their own keywords and that you're not using the same keywords on all your pages. Google has little robots called crawlers that index each page looking for original content and keywords so they can rank you for those and put you in front of your potential new patients. Now, one of your top competitors in San Diego for chiropractic as a keyword is San Diego Chiropractic here. Let's check out their site. Not only is this their name, but this is also a buyer intent keyword that is local based, so that's important. So they're using those. And it looks like they also don't have any content. So you definitely could beat these guys, but you're going to need more content and to focus on those keywords. Um, it looks like they do have a variety of different services, though, so you will have to do like they are doing and break out your services into individual pages, work on that content and keyword strategy. Make sure that you're using the right keywords and original content, and support that website with search engine optimization, because without it, your website won't be found. So if we look here, you have a rating for your website of a 3.7 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google doesn't trust your website. That is all because of your backlinks and referring domains. These are very important. You do need a lot of these, but they have to be high quality, authoritative links. They need to be directly related to the treatments and therapies that you're offering, and they need to be do follows. And you only have 2 that are do follows. So only 2 of your links here are even relevant, because Google only gives you credit for 1 backlink per referring domain. So everything else is looked at as spam. And you've got 19 keywords indexed, and you get 0 people to your website. So it just proves that there's a lot of work that needs to be done on your website to get it optimized so you can get that traffic and convert them into customers. If we look at your keywords here and we look at the position, there's 10 spots per page on Google. So you have 0 keywords that are even on the first page of Google, which is why you're not getting found. And even if we look at your keywords, all of these keywords here are, for the most part, all these keywords here are considered national. And so national keywords are not going to help you. You're going to get traffic from all over the country when these keywords are ranked to the first page. And since you're not able to help people all over the country, you get false results, false metrics. People will come to your page and they're going to leave. So you need to be focused on the local keywords so you can capture local people and convert them into new patients. If we look at your competitor, they have a 0, so they are not trusted either. They have 28 referring domains, but only 7 are do follow. So you only have to beat their 7 in quality as well as quantity. But they have 46 keywords, and they're getting over 200 people to their website. So again, by optimizing your website, you'll be able to easily beat these guys and capture this traffic and more. And the last part is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of patients search in the maps and they don't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all those potential new patients to your competition. In order to get in the top 3, there's several factors, but most important are citations. That's the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Dex, and Glassdoor. So you're going to need a lot more than your top competitor, but when you follow all the tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for each of your services and treatments in your service area using your local buyer intent / patient intent keywords supported by your SEO backlinks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I would really love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number here on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.